Today I'll be stewing some fruits to put to soak. It's not too late. If you do it this way, it's not too late. And how I'm stewing my how I'll be stewing my fruits. I'll rinse. This is I didn't take them out the bag as yet. That's my bad. Cranberries. No, this isn't cranberry. This is currant. Currant, raisin. I didn't weigh them. I bought them at the bulk store. So I don't know the package, how much the weight is. I just buy as I go. Prunes, cranberries, mixed berries, green cherries. I wanted red cherries also, but they didn't have any, so I'll just work with only green cherries. Some more Thompson raisin and mixed fruit. Mixed fruits. The cranberries, I will not use all of this cranberry. I'll save some because I wanted to soak some separately in orange juice. Whenever I'm baking certain things like cookies and stuff like that, or anything I want to bake and had cranberries in it, I always have my cranberries soaking in orange juice, because I don't want to just use the dry fruit. When you soak it, it plump up the berries, plus it gives it a delicious orangey flavor, and I love cranberries. So that's all I'll be using today. And when I'm soaking, because I'll be making a cake with non-alcohol, a black cake, yes, a black cake, non-alcohol. So this is the liquid I'll be using. Instead of wine and rum, I'll be using cranberry grape juice, and this is what I'll be stewing my fruits in. Let it cool, and then I'll put it to soak for a couple of days. So some I'll be soaked in cranberry juice with a little orange juice, and the rest I'll soak in wine and rum. So let's get started, sweeties. Did I say good morning? Did I say welcome to Nettie's amazing house? My bad. Good morning, beautiful. Good morning. So first I'll be rinsing my raisins and my currants. I'm not rinsing my green cherries or my cranberries. Only my raisins and my currants. I like rinsing those. So you want to see my beautiful face, don't you? Okay, here it is. Let's get started. You know, I never used to rinse my fruits, and I saw, I believe it's Miss Donna. She washed her, I think she washed all of her fruits, but I'll just wash my raisins. And my currants. Wash it properly, she said. Let it drain and get out the way, you. Why didn't I put that out the way a long time? I'm sorry. Okay, so now this is the pot I'll be using. Hope it holds all of these fruits. I believe it will. So my raisins already in the pot. Now I'll be adding the currants. My cranberries. As I said, I'm not going to use all the cranberries. I'll save some. This is some mixed berries. Yeah. Cut up my prunes, but because I'm stewing it, I'm not gonna cut it. Let me turn on my fire. And medium, and when it started to boil, I'll turn it down to low. See the mixed fruits? Here it is. Usually I'll buy it at the bulk store. When I went to the bulk store, the bins were empty. Most of the baking stuff, everybody's preparing for Christmas. Gone. And now I had my cranberry grape juice. I'll also add a bit of orange juice. A little orange juice. Go on and just grab me a river. Oh. You give God thanks this morning? I did. Just a friendly reminder. Just a friendly reminder. First, I had some more cranberries juice. Add a little bit more. Yep. There it is. See all these goodies? All these goodies. I'll let it come to a boil, then I'll turn it down really low to simmer. See all these raisins are hard. When it's all done, it will be fluffed up and soft and juicy. Even my prunes, my cherries, everything. Then I'll soak it again and I'll show you. Cover this pot and leave it. Once it comes to a boil, turn it down on low. Let it simmer. Take your time and dissolve and absorb all the juice. Yeah, once it absorbs all the juice, it becomes soft and gooey and delicious. Then we'll soak it in some more cranberry juice. So I'm laughing because my camera just went sideways. So yeah, as I was saying, I'll bake one especially for my sister, maybe 2 or 3, and with cranberry juice instead of wine, and the rest I'll soak in some delicious wine and rum. Hey baby, hey baby, hey baby. So here it is, they all float to the top, and now I'll turn my fire down to low. See, it comes to a boil and they all float to the top. So now I'll reduce the fire. Yeah. And now I'll cover it back. So you see, this is the cranberries that I said I'll soak in some orange juice. I'll just pour some orange juice on this and this, and then I'll just put it in the fridge for whenever I want to bake something with cranberries. It's see, the cranberries are hard, so once you soak it, it absorbs the orange juice, and then it becomes delicious and soft. So this I'll just store in the fridge for now, or for whenever I need to bake something with cranberries. Look at this. It's not fully finished as yet. Look at this. I think look at this, guys. I'm going to turn the fire off. Look at the juice, look at the liquid, how thick this is. Look at that. So this is what you want to see. So I'll turn it off, leave it to cool down properly before I bottled it. My prunes, look at the prunes. Can you see that? How soft it is. You can't even see the prunes. Look at that. This is what you want to see. So you see, guys, it's not too late to soak your fruits. It's not too late, because I want this to cool down quick. Look what I'm doing. I put it in the sink and run some cold water so it cools it down, because I want to bottle it. And if I leave it to cool on its own, it will take forever, and I do not want to cool it, store it warm. So now I'll see that. Now I'll bottle my fruits. This is a big bottle. This is a good size bottle. And now I'm gonna add some more cranberry juice. And this I'll store in my refrigerator. I'll put this in the fridge and let it stay until I'm ready to bake. So this is the one that I'll be baking without the alcohol. Okay. Lots and lots and lots of gooey, juicy, nice stuff. See me bake this non-alcohol Christmas cake, leave me a comment, and I'll make a video of this cake. Now this is it for the big one. So this is the remainder. This is a lot of fruits. this one now I'll add rum. And you know, you don't even have to add wine to this, because the fruit that you stew it with, remember they make red wine from grape juice. So, and I use grape cranberries. All you could do is just add some rum to this bad boy. Yep. Here is the remainder. Instead of adding the wine, I'll just add the rum. So when I'm blending for the cake, if it needs more wine, I'll blend in, then I'll add the wine. Now, I don't think it needs any wine right now. And guys, your fruits is ready. Give it a couple of days to absorb in that rum, and it is ready. If you believe it needs more rum, you can always add rum. But for now, this is good to go. And guys, this is the wine I use. You can use whatever wine you want. Red label wine. There's so much port wine. Whatever sweet red wine, it's good to go. You don't really have to use just red label wine. So, from my amazing house to yours, one love. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment. Let me know if you start soaking your fruits. Let me know how you soak your fruits. Let me know if you want to see me bake that non-alcohol cake, or even the traditional Christmas Jamaican rum fruit cake. Okay, so again, from my amazing house to yours,